Hi friends! How are you? I love music that makes me feel happy. I hope everyone's doing great. How about we name the 4 seasons of the year? Great! But first, let's dance! The 4 seasons of the year are spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Each season has its own weather patterns, light, and temperature that repeat every year. The length of the seasons can range from about 89 to 94 days. It's because Earth moves faster in its orbit when it's closer to the Sun and slower when it's farther away. Seasons start and end on different days, depending on the hemisphere and the calendar. Mrs. Kangaroo, thank you for joining us.
You are very welcome. We love to dance too.
I love the way you dance, my wonderful friends out there in TV land. Now, let's name the seasons. Spring. Summer. Autumn. Winter. Great job, friends! I really enjoyed naming the seasons, enjoying ourselves the way we did. Don't forget! Like, share, and subscribe to Little Kids Heart of Learning. Until we meet again, keep being awesome!